Hello, this is your girl photoshoptutorial and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you'll know exactly when I'm uploading new content. Hope everyone's having a nice holiday. I hope everyone got what they wanted to get. And I hope that everyone is spending time with their loved ones, their families, and just enjoying life. Because that is what it is about. Just enjoying the precious moments that you have with the people you really care about, who care about you. Now, let's get started. I'm on VU and I am going to be recoloring a modern bed. I'm going to start doing more furniture more often. So this is the next furniture piece that I am doing. A bed. I decided to go with a modern type of bed. Again, I love modern furniture. This is what the bed looks like. And it has numbers, so it will help us determine what we are coloring, and we don't have to guess on this. So I'm glad that it came with numbers. I also got my textures from Google. It's very simple. You type in pillow textures, or you type in quilt textures, or bed sham textures. You can type in anything to get textures that you want. And that's what I did, and I have them opened up. But before I show you guys the textures that I might be using, let's see who I derive from. The person I decided to derive from is Inspirations Rust. Every time I go into the shop and I see their products, I'm like, okay, I need to definitely derive from them, especially if you can't find a bed that you like or the colors that you like for a certain bed. You see a bed that you like, but they don't have the right colors that you want, you could always go and do them yourself and create your own. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Inspirations Rust is not like very high, but it's not low either. So it's 470 credits to derive from, which isn't bad. And you can upscale your stuff as much as you want, but you want to also make your stuff affordable as well. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go into Gimp to see the textures that I picked. So I went into Google and I decided to pick out a couple textures. I don't know what these textures will be used for, because although I did say that I might use them for quilts or pillows, you never know. But yeah, I picked out a bunch of textures that I liked, which isn't bad. I could see these really going for like pillows as well, but you never know. I might switch it up. But I wanted to show you guys the stuff I have available that I might use. And I didn't put these in a separate folder this time. I just wanted to keep it very simple. So I just decided to save these into my main folder that I usually save my stuff in, which is fine. And whatever I don't use, I just delete. But these are the textures I picked out. I'm going to be recoloring them if I need to. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna go with the blue and see what it looks like. So let's go. Okay, we are in VU, and the first thing I'm going to be focusing on is 02, which is the quilt or cover. I'm going to be recoloring it. We'll do it now. Try blue. And I'm gonna apply changes. Now that looks amazing. That actually looks really good. I'm not gonna lie, that looks really, really good. I like it. And usually with these type of quilts, it comes with pillows. So I think for 06 is what I'm going to do the pillow the same color. Okay, I love that. I love it. So now it's coming together a little bit. And I like that I already downloaded the texture, so it makes it easier for me to pick from. But this is really cute. Now I'm thinking of maybe doing a light pink, because blue and pink together is just really nice, especially if it's a super light pink. So for the pillows in the front, I'm going to do the light pink texture that you've seen, which is right here. Alright. Zoom in and apply change. Alright, I'm already loving it. I'm already loving it. You know what? It looks really good. I like how realistic it looks as well. Remember, you want to pick out realistic textures. Some stuff has wrinkles and some stuff doesn't. You want to pick 50% wrinkles and 50% non-wrinkles, just to see what it looks like. It's a nice contrast. But I actually really like this. I really do. Now, what is the number for the back pillows? It's 0, 1 for the back pillows. So, for the back pillows, I'm gonna go with the pink. So I guess I was wrong. It was not. Let me see what that number was, because it looks like 0, 1 to me. I have to zoom in. Oh, it's 10. It was 10 for the back. Well, with this you never know, but this actually doesn't look bad. That doesn't look bad at all. And I wasn't even expecting to do it like that. But hey, it worked out. It worked out. It's not bad. But I still would like to color this the same as this. But we'll figure it out. I'm going to skip that part and I'm going to go to 03. Now I already picked out a wood that I liked. And hopefully it looks right. 03 would be the wood that I picked up. Right here. Zoom in. Apply changes. Okay. The wood's not looking bad. Can't go wrong with wood. It's not looking bad at all. It's really coming together. You could also choose to use a solid color too, like a metal type of color, but it's either metal, wood, steel, either or is going to look good. Now, 04. I don't know where 04 is at, but let's figure it out. Color for 04, I'm just gonna go with black just to see something. I would like to see exactly what I'm recoloring. Okay, so 04. So the pillows is supposed to be pink, like I said. Good thing I colored it black first, because I would have no idea. So I'm gonna go with that pink. Perfect. Now, 05. I don't know what 05 is. So what I'm about to do is use black again. Okay, so it's the outline. I'm gonna fix that up. Save. Now, we need to do the same with these pillows. So I'm assuming either 08 or 12. So I'm going to color it black again. Apply changes. Okay, so that goes for that pillow. Apply changes. Looking good. 012, I'm assuming goes for these pillows. was correct. And this is what the bed looks like. See, I actually really like the colors. Now, do I want to change the wood? Yes. I think I want to change the wood to either like a metal type of color or white. But it needs to be, the wood is throwing it off a little bit. Or maybe the wood needs to be darker. But I think I'm going to go with a metal type of color. So what I'm going to do is go into Google and find some metal colors. So let's go. So we are in Google and I typed in dark metal texture. And this is what Google gave me. And I already found one that I like. This is realistic. I like this as well. This is really, really nice. So there's different ones that I could see myself downloading. I think I'm gonna download a couple, but I really see ones that I do like. So let's go into view. Okay, we're back in view, and I will be changing the wood in the back to something better. So let's figure this out. Downloaded a couple and I'm going to go through them to see which one I like. Okay, I really like this one. I really, really like this one. But it might be something better, so let's check. Nope. Looks cheap. 3. Changes. Actually, that's not bad. It's not bad. Nope, don't like M4, and I don't think I'm gonna like M5 either because they're definitely similar. So I think I'm gonna go with M1 as the final. Apply changes. This is the bed. This is what the bed looks like. I actually really like it. Will I put it in the shop? No. But I do like it. I do like it a lot. I think it's because of the pillows and the quilt that I picked. But remember, when picking these out, you want to resize them if they're too big. 256 times 256 or a little bit smaller than that is good. But thank you guys for watching the video. And make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I will catch you guys on another video.